Keg King Kegmaster Fastap Kegerators are the original, the first pre-assembled kegerators on the market. Pre-assembled because we've already put the fonts together for you. Sometimes with kegerator systems, attaching the line to the shanks can be the most difficult and complicated bit. But we've done that all for you, making them the fastest kegerators to assemble on the market. So it doesn't matter whether you're getting a standard font or if you decide to go with a Fastap T-type font, which our new fonts have, just like this, you're gonna get the lines attached for you already. Comes with all the hardware to be able to do it, and you're also gonna get your own gas lines all plumbed out for you as well. So all you'll have to do is just plug them in to the regulator that comes with the fridge and your gas system's set up for you. All plumbed out with DM push fittings, which are unparalleled on the market. You're gonna get stainless steel taps, shanks, and font. You're gonna get everything that you need to have a kegerator for a lifetime with the best taps on the market, the Ultra Tap. So, Fastap Kegerators from Keg King. We're the originators, don't accept anything less. Cheers.